When it comes to raw power, size, and mechanical dominance in the world of agriculture, no tractor stands taller, literally and figuratively, than the Big Bud 747. This colossal machine is not just a marvel of engineering, but a symbol of what human ingenuity can achieve when there's no limit to ambition. Built in 1977 by Northern Manufacturing Company in Havre, Montana, the Big Bud 747 was custom designed for the Rossi brothers, a cotton farming duo in California who needed a machine capable of working vast tracts of land with unparalleled efficiency. And what they got was not just a tractor, but the king of all tractors, a behemoth that still holds the title of the world's most powerful farm tractor ever built. The Big Bud 747 is powered by a massive 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine, originally delivering up to 760 horsepower, but later tuned up to an earth-shaking 1,100 horsepower. To put that into perspective, most modern tractors today operate in the range of 300 to 600 horsepower. This machine isn't just powerful, it's practically in a league of its own. With a fuel tank that holds over 1,000 gallons, the Big Bud 747 was built to run long hours, handling the biggest and heaviest equipment with ease. It weighs more than 100,000 pounds when fully ballasted, and it's over 27 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 14 feet tall. It's so massive that when it needs to be moved, it must be disassembled and transported in parts. It's simply too big for standard roads. What really makes the Big Bud 747 a legend, though, isn't just its size or specs, it's the fact that despite being nearly 50 years old, it's still running, still farming, and still making headlines. After serving the Rossi brothers, the Big Bud made its way to Montana, where it was used to pull an 80-foot cultivator across thousands of acres of farmland. It could cover up to 1 acre per minute, making it an unmatched tool for large-scale farming. In a world where newer technology is constantly replacing the old, the Big Bud 747 stands as a rare exception, a machine so well built and so ahead of its time that it remains relevant and operational decades after its creation. The Big Bud 747 has also become something of a celebrity. It draws crowds wherever it goes and is often featured in museums, farming expos, and tractor shows. Its immense popularity has even led to toy replicas, model kits, and collector items. For tractor lovers and agricultural enthusiasts, the Big Bud isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a legend. It has been featured in documentaries, YouTube videos, and countless articles, all praising its unrivaled power and rugged durability. And let's be honest, there's something truly captivating about watching this monster machine in action, effortlessly pulling gigantic implements across open fields like it's nothing. What's even more impressive is how the Big Bud was built using many off-the-shelf components, making it surprisingly easy to maintain despite its size. Farmers could source parts without dealing with proprietary tech or expensive service contracts, something that's rare in modern farming equipment today. In fact, when the Big Bud needed restoration in 2009, the Williams brothers, who currently own the tractor, were able to bring it back to full working condition, restoring both its performance and its legacy. They reinstalled the massive engine, upgraded systems, and even matched it with a custom-built 80-foot wide cultivator that made full use of the tractor's power. There's a strong emotional connection that comes with machines like the Big Bud 747. It reminds us of an era when machines were built to last, when strength, simplicity, and function were valued above flashy electronics or temporary designs. For many farmers, it represents the golden age of agriculture, when large-scale farming was booming and the demand for powerful equipment was at an all-time high. And even today, with all the advances in GPS, automation, and electric tractors, nothing quite captures the imagination like the Big Bud roaring across a field, leaving a cloud of dust and a trail of awe in its wake. So whether you're a fan of heavy machinery, farming history, or simply love seeing the biggest and best that the world has to offer, the Big Bud 747 deserves your attention. It's more than just a tractor, it's a piece of history, a record holder, and a testament to the power of engineering. It continues to operate, inspire, and dominate, proving that sometimes, bigger really is better. And until someone builds something more powerful, and that's a big if, the Big Bud 747 will continue to reign as the undisputed heavyweight champion of the tractor world.